you're tired of cleaning out your gutters but don't necessarily need a premium micro mesh system, there's a new option worth considering. BroGuard Jr., a durable all-steel gutter guard that delivers a significant upgrade over basic gutter protection systems. Unlike many entry-level guards made from plastic or lightweight materials, BroGuard Jr. is constructed from 100% stainless steel. That means greater durability, better resistance to the elements, and a much longer lifespan than many of the flimsy alternatives you'll find on the market. One of the standout features of BroGuard Jr. is its wide macro mesh design. The larger openings are engineered to maximize water flow, helping your gutter guards handle heavy rainfall and intense storms more effectively. Water gets where it needs to go, into your gutter system and away from your home. And when it comes to appearance, BroGuard Jr. keeps things simple. The guard tucks neatly into your existing gutter system, maintaining a clean, low-profile look that won't change the appearance of your home from the street. So if you're looking for a gutter guard that offers more strength and durability than a basic guard while still providing excellent water flow and a clean appearance, BroGuard Jr. could be the perfect fit. To learn more or schedule a free estimate, visit brothersgutters.com today.